Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your ThemeForest WordPress theme. And the process is actually very simple. Before we begin, I want to share something helpful for anyone who works with WordPress themes. If you often download themes from ThemeForest and still feel limited when customizing your site, you should try Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi gives you a full visual builder that lets you design your website by dragging and dropping sections. It removes many of the restrictions that come with traditional themes. You can find a link in the description to try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if you do not like it. Now let us start. It is very easy to update your ThemeForest theme. First, go to Appearance and then click on Themes. Select Theme Details, where you will be able to see your current theme version. If you notice that an update is available, you can proceed with updating it. Simply download the updated theme file from ThemeForest, then return to your dashboard and click on Add New Theme. After that, choose Upload Theme and select the theme file you downloaded. Once you have chosen the file, click on Install Now. When the installation finishes, select the option to replace the existing version with the uploaded one, and your theme will be updated. And that's it. That's how you can update your ThemeForest WordPress theme. Before we finish, I want to remind you again that if you want more design freedom than what most ThemeForest themes provide, Divi from Elegant Themes is a great option. You build pages visually, and you do not need any code to create professional layouts. The link is in the description where you can try Divi at a great price, and you can request a full refund if you do not like it.